Do you know that your aura, when taken through a process called meridian reading, can give such a lot of information that includes your emotional side, your mental state, the way physically you are fit and ability to fulfill your goals. Additionally, it can also give information about the kind of energy flow that your house has. Is it possible? Yes, it is. My name is Amressh Mehta, and I have had the pleasure of doing this kind of audit in past 33 years in over more than 50 countries to thousands of celebrities and corporate houses. And I'm excited to join EO Gujarat on 31st of August this year. And I'll be conducting live demo of this energy information, and it will be very, very enlightening. Additionally, I'll be also presenting you all about your numerology dashboard, which will give information about the kind of lucky numbers that you have, the kind of numbers, how to use them, and avoidable number, etc. Let's meet here on 31st of August. Namaskar.